Good morning, my name is Daniel. Thank you for watching this video. Today we are going to talk about the identification of principal barriers in the ESL learning process. Well, the introduction of my research project is that Colombia is a South American country with a very low rate of English proficiency. It's a very common problem in schools, elementary, high school, and even in university level. We are ranking very low in the international test of English as a second language. The research question that I proposed is that from the learner's perspective, what are the main reasons the learning of a second language has been difficult and how could be improved in a way that works better for them? Then we have the research lines for this project, and it says one of the research lines that the UNAT has in the ECEDU is Gestión Vital Group and Visibilidad y Gestión del Conocimiento research line. And this is from the School of Educational Sciences. The general objective of my project is to determine the level of satisfaction of students of the San Francisco de Sales schools in Cúcuta Norte de Santander towards the English classes they have taken in all the learning process timeline from elementary school to high school studies. Some of the specific objectives is to see how they perceive from the teacher's practice during all the learning stages and which practices having helped them to achieve their goals in English, and also giving a general feedback on the real impact the learning process have an impact in their life goals in terms of sociocultural environments and professional life. The justification for this project is that in recent years, the studies have shown that Colombia students are not proficient in English. This can be seen in any results from the ICFES and in real life when you talk in English to the students. This will provide vital feedback about the teacher approaches, how the teachers are actually teaching English, and why is that the students are not really learning in the proposed environments. Some authors proposing the theoretical background were Crazen, Buckingham, and Willett, and basically they all agree in the fact that we have to encourage learners into a modern social context that motivate them to understand the benefits they will get when they are learning English. In the literature review, we can see that the problem is that most classes do not apply their curriculums into subjective content, and they don't focus that on the personal aims of the students. Therefore, is sensed as old-fashioned from the students' perspective, and that's why they are not actually acquiring the knowledge that we are trying to give them. As a research paradigm, we have that this research is a mixed paradigm. And I say it's classified this way because we have to learn the opinions from the learners and their personal concepts about their English language experiences. The specific target of this course can also give evidence of some basic data that can be counted as statistics, and for this reason it can be categorized as quantitative, neither as qualitative, but a mix of both. The research approach for this project is that it requires indeed a deductive approach in order to reach and fulfill the proposed target, given the fact that the study begins from a general overview with many aspects to be taken into account, and it will go to a general specific situation that will be seen through the development of their research. The type of study, well, we have analytic studies and therefore perform as test key for the hypothesis, and some sample data will be identified, and the information about the study status outcome will be then collected. The population taken for this study is based on students from San Francisco de Sales School in Cúcuta Norte de Santander, and they are actually not going to regular school. They are adults, young adults who are trying to finish high school by validating high school. It will be applied to random students of all formations. The instruments used for this survey will be 20 questions and 4 different options to answer, and the interview will be applied to 10 to 15 participants, and Excel can be used as means to organize the results. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment.